Welcome to the hydraulic press kitchen. Today we are going to make minced pork, and we are going to use the same tool that we used to make the nut oil in the previous video. So you know the concept. The stuff goes in. It looks really good. I think 2 is good amount. I don't like this video at all. Then piston goes here, and then we just press from here, and as you can see we have really small hole and the cup to catch all the action, and yeah, it should come out like minced pork. I cannot see why this wouldn't work, but you are going to probably see soon why it's not going to work. I have feeling that the meat is going to come out pretty fast, so I made this clever setup here. So this is going to catch the meat no matter how fast it goes. Okay, I think it's ready. That was fast. That was fast. Okay, let's see what we made. Hey! It looks exactly like minced meat. Yeah. I think this is first time ever that something like this actually works. When we try to do something with the press. And it's like actually works, and it's like as good as the like store-bought stuff. I think we are going to try also with the chicken to be sure that the tool is perfect. Okay, then the chicken. I think this is going to go pretty similarly, but we have to test to see. Okay, I think the speed is again our friend, so I go fast. Yeah, looks really tasty. We can compare the two. Yeah, I would say that it's perfect tool for the job. There's nothing wrong with this. Yeah, so I leave link to description where you can buy your own meat beater 5 million. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.